Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many WooCommerce store owners face: incorrect price calculation after multiple refunds. If you've ever struggled with this problem, you know how frustrating it can be. In this video we'll break down the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve it. As an e-commerce store owner, ensuring accurate pricing is crucial for building trust with your customers and maintaining a professional reputation. However, when dealing with multiple refunds, things can get complicated quickly. That's why understanding the root causes of incorrect price calculation is essential for finding a reliable solution. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts you need to know to troubleshoot and fix this issue in your WooCommerce store. By the end of this explanation, you'll have a clear understanding of how to correct price calculations after multiple refunds and be able to apply this knowledge to your own business. So, let's dive into the main topic. When dealing with refunds in WooCommerce, there are several factors that can affect price calculation. One common reason for incorrect price calculation is the way WooCommerce handles refund amounts. When a customer requests a refund, WooCommerce calculates the refund amount based on the original order total. However, if multiple refunds are processed, the system may not accurately recalculate the new order total. This can lead to discrepancies in pricing and affect the overall accuracy of your store's financial records. Well, to understand this better, let's consider an example. Suppose a customer places an order worth $100 and then requests a partial refund of $20. WooCommerce would calculate the refund amount based on the original order total of $100. However, if another refund is processed later, the system might not take into account the new order total after the first refund. This is where things can get complicated. To resolve this issue, you need to understand how WooCommerce calculates prices and refunds. In essence, the platform uses a combination of formulas and algorithms to determine the correct price and refund amounts. Well, here's a simplified analogy to help illustrate this concept. Think of your store's pricing system as a recipe with multiple ingredients. Each ingredient, product price, tax rate, shipping cost, etc., affects the final dish order total. When you process refunds, you're essentially adjusting the quantities of these ingredients. However, if you don't recalculate the entire recipe after each adjustment, the final result may not be accurate. To fix incorrect price calculation after multiple refunds in WooCommerce, you need to ensure that your store's pricing system is recalculating the order total accurately after each refund. This might involve adjusting settings or using plugins that can help with this process. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed in this video. Incorrect price calculation after multiple refunds in WooCommerce can occur due to the way the platform handles refund amount. Understanding how WooCommerce calculates prices and refunds is crucial for resolving this issue. To fix incorrect price calculation, you need to ensure that your store's pricing system accurately recalculates the order total after each refund. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation has helped clarify the reasons behind incorrect price calculation after multiple refunds in WooCommerce and provided a clear understanding of how to resolve this issue. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tutorials and tips. As a final call to action, we encourage you to take what you've learned today and apply it to your own WooCommerce store. By ensuring accurate pricing and refund calculations, you'll be able to provide a better shopping experience for your customers and maintain a professional reputation in the market.